Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another wig review, so let's jump right into it. So this is another wig review in collaboration with Vivica Wigs. The link to their website will be down below, as well as all the details on the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today. This wig is the Vivica A Fox Swiss Lace Wig, and this is in the style Sunflower. So this is what the packaging looks like. I got it in the color number 2. It is Swiss lace. It has the invisible lace part, natural baby hairs, hand tied Swiss lace. Supposed to be silk. It claims that it's silky soft, so the lace shouldn't scratch or irritate you. It's supposed to be undetectable and all of that other good stuff. So let's see how this wig is. So again, this is another synthetic wig. So it's made with Futura fibers. So the fibers are heat resistant from 356 to 392 degrees. So it comes kind of like in this natural bumped curled style, but if I need to add more curls, I should be able to fix it. So here is the wig straight out of the box. As you can see, it looks like the strands look a little yucky, but it kind of has that synthetic look to it, but the texture feels a lot softer than it actually looks. Here is the inside of the wig in the construction. So it has just a little bit of parting space, which I prefer the wigs to have a deeper lace part. I feel like it just looks a lot more natural or closer to a sew-in. So it's all wefted. It has the adjustable straps, and it has these 2 combs in the front as well, I guess, to hold your lace and your part in place. So I'm going to cut the lace off of this wig, and then I'll jump back on camera and apply it for you guys. So I just finished cutting the lace off, and one thing I wanted to make note of is that the packaging really emphasizes these natural baby hairs, but this definitely doesn't have any baby hair at all. So I think that's kind of odd. I personally don't care for the fake baby hair look anyways, but I think it's just a bit odd that it emphasizes natural baby hair on the packaging, but it doesn't have any baby hair at all. Let's put this on my head and see how she styles. Oh, I look like somebody, auntie, mama, something. So I have my hair parted for like my natural base parted for a middle part, but off top you guys can see how humpy this wig looks and how like fake this little bit of parting is. I'm just gonna start by kind of finger combing these curls out. I mean, as far as the texture goes of this hair, it actually feels really nice and it's layered really nicely, but it's looking really wiggy, which I don't like. Yeah, this part is killing me. I don't have the wig secure with these clips because it honestly hurts when I try to put them through my braid, and so I just have it kind of sitting in place. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not feeling this. The last couple of wigs I reviewed from Vivica, I actually really like those wigs. This one, I haven't had my moment yet with it, and a lot of it is based around this little short part. Like, I hate little short parts, and on top of that, how this falls, ugh. I'm gonna see how it looks if I try to make it into like a side part. So I think it looks a little better kind of as a side part, but it still looks just really wiggy. Like, I don't know how I can get over that. Thing is that it's really not made for a side part, because as I shifted it, I have this little flap here that's kind of like not making the wig sit right because of my ear is in the way. So yeah, I don't know what more I can try to do with this wig, because my issue is the parting space. So I feel like no matter where I put this wig, it's just not gonna be right. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. Overall, I give this wig like a 5 out of 10. I like the texture of it. The texture is really soft. It is, it has a little bit of a plasticky look, but it's still kind of yucky-ish, so it's not too bad. I love the way that these waves and curls kind of fall. However, because of the parting space, like, there's no way to really work around it. And I've noticed as I've been doing more wig reviews, like, you know, I'm not upset about the lace like not being ear to ear, but this little section right here where the parting is, it just needs to be a little deeper. With it being this short, like, I don't know. I don't think there's any way around it where I can style it. The short part makes this section here look really humpy and really wiggy, and I think it just kind of takes away from the look of the wig. So I am a little disappointed in that regard, because like, I don't think there's any way, like, if you look at me face, no, it looked like a wig. I was gonna say, if you just look at it, it doesn't look that bad, but this, I think this one looks really, really wiggy. It don't look like a good sew-in. It just looks like a good old ancient wig. So again, this is the Vivica A Fox Swiss Lace Front Wig in the style Sunflower. This isn't my favorite wig from divatress.com. However, Divatress, they offer so many wigs that if you're not a fan of this one, I'm 100% sure that you'll be able to go on their website and find a wig from them that you do like. However, this just ain't the one today. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on how I can like work around this parting situation, let me know. I am fairly new to wigs, so I'm still like getting into the synthetic wig game, but this whole little region is just stressing me out. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.